Poland, a country in Central Europe, boasts a stunning tapestry of landscapes. From towering mountain ranges to serene lakes and verdant forests, Poland offers a visual feast for nature enthusiasts. Join me as we embark on a captivating journey through Poland's picturesque paradises. Discover the hidden gems and iconic landmarks that make this country a must-visit destination. Our exploration begins in the south, where the mighty Tatra Mountains pierce the sky. Finally, we'll conclude our journey in the north, where a vast network of lakes creates a mesmerizing labyrinth of blue. So, pack your bags, grab your camera, and get ready to be amazed by the picturesque paradises of Poland. The Tatra Mountains, straddling the border of Poland and Slovakia, are a sight to behold. These majestic peaks, the highest in the Carpathian Range, offer breathtaking views and challenging hiking trails. Explore the dramatic landscapes carved by glaciers over millennia, and witness nature's raw power. The Tatras are home to a variety of hiking trails, catering to all levels of experience. For a challenging climb, ascend to the summit of Rysy, Poland's highest peak. If you prefer a more leisurely stroll, numerous well-maintained trails wind through valleys and meadows, offering stunning vistas at every turn. After a day of exploration, unwind in the charming town of Zakopane. Known as the winter capital of Poland, Zakopane offers a cozy atmosphere, traditional wooden architecture, and a vibrant cultural scene. Indulge in hearty Polish cuisine, browse local crafts, and experience the warmth of Polish hospitality. Nestled high in the Tatra Mountains lies Morskie Oko, a glacial lake of ethereal beauty. Often called the Eye of the Sea, this pristine lake shimmers like a sapphire amidst the towering peaks. Surrounded by dense forests and rugged cliffs, Morskie Oko is a true testament to nature's artistry. A scenic trail leads to the lake, offering stunning views along the way. Upon reaching the lake, take a moment to soak in the tranquility of your surroundings. The reflection of the mountains in the crystal-clear water creates a mesmerizing spectacle. Zakopane, nestled at the foot of the Tatra Mountains, is a charming town renowned for its traditional wooden architecture and vibrant culture. Stroll along Krupałki Street, the town's bustling promenade, and soak in the lively atmosphere. Browse local crafts, sample traditional snacks, and enjoy the sounds of folk music filling the air. Beyond its cultural attractions, Zakopane serves as an excellent base for exploring the surrounding natural beauty. Numerous hiking trails lead from the town into the Tatra National Park, offering breathtaking views and opportunities for outdoor adventure. Take a scenic cable car ride to Gubaloka Hill for panoramic vistas of the town and the majestic mountains beyond. In winter, Zakopane transforms into a winter wonderland, attracting skiers and snowboarders from across Europe. Hit the slopes at one of the many nearby ski resorts, or enjoy a horse-drawn sleigh ride through snow-covered forests. Whether you visit in summer or winter, Zakopane is sure to captivate your senses. Venture into the heart of western Poland and discover the enigmatic Crooked Forest, a grove of pine trees with a peculiar secret. Over 400 pine trees stand in an unnatural J-shape, their trunks bending sharply northward before curving back upright. The reason behind this unusual growth pattern remains a mystery, sparking curiosity and wonder. Various theories attempt to explain the Crooked Forest's enigmatic nature. Some speculate that human intervention, perhaps a unique grafting technique, caused the trees to grow in this unusual shape. Others believe that a natural phenomenon such as a heavy snowfall or strong winds may be responsible for the trees' contorted forms. Regardless of the cause, the Crooked Forest is a mesmerizing sight. Stroll through the grove, marvel at the trees' peculiar shapes, and let your imagination run wild. The eerie silence and unusual beauty of this place create an unforgettable experience. Escape into the untamed wilderness of Slováky National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site located in the southern Carpathian Mountains. This vast protected area is a haven for biodiversity, home to diverse flora and fauna, including brown bears, wolves, and lynx. Explore pristine forests, cascading waterfalls, and dramatic gorges, immersing yourself in the raw beauty of nature. Embark on a scenic hike along well-marked trails, venturing deep into the park's unspoiled landscapes. Discover hidden waterfalls, such as the cascading Cyklawa waterfall, the highest in Poland. Keep an eye out for wildlife along the way, but remember to admire these creatures from a safe distance, respecting their natural habitat. For a truly immersive experience, spend a night at one of the park's mountain huts. Wake up to the sounds of bird song, breathe in the fresh mountain air, and enjoy a hearty breakfast before setting out on another day of exploration. Slováky National Park offers a glimpse into the heart of Polish wilderness. Journey to eastern Poland and discover the Białowieża Forest, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of Europe's last remaining primeval forests. This vast expanse of old-growth forest is home to an incredible array of biodiversity, including the European bison, the continent's largest land mammal. Explore the forest's depths on foot or by bicycle, following well-maintained trails that wind through ancient trees and verdant undergrowth. Keep an eye out for the majestic European bison, which roam freely in this protected habitat. Observe these gentle giants from a safe distance, respecting their space and natural behaviors. Beyond its iconic bison population, the Białowieża Forest is home to a multitude of other fascinating creatures. Look for elusive lynx, wolves, and a variety of bird species, including the three-toed woodpecker and the white-backed woodpecker. Immerse yourself in the sights and sounds of this pristine wilderness, a testament to the power of nature conservation. Escape to the tranquility of the Masurian Lake District, a region in northeastern Poland often referred to as the Land of 1,000 Lakes. This vast network of interconnected lakes, surrounded by forests and meadows, creates a mesmerizing labyrinth of blue, perfect for boating, kayaking, and swimming. Rent a sailboat or kayak and explore the lakes at your own pace, discovering hidden coves, secluded beaches, and charming villages along the way. Drop anchor and enjoy a picnic lunch on a sunny shore, or cool off with a refreshing swim in the crystal-clear waters. The Masurian Lake District offers a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. For a unique perspective, take a scenic cruise on one of the larger lakes, such as Lake Sniardwy or Lake Mamre. Admire the passing scenery, relax on deck, and enjoy the fresh air and tranquil atmosphere. The Masurian Lake District is a haven for water enthusiasts and nature lovers alike. Discover the captivating city of Gdansk, located on the Baltic coast of Poland. This historic port city boasts a rich maritime heritage, evident in its stunning architecture, vibrant waterfront, and charming canals. Stroll along the cobblestone streets of the old town, marvel at the colorful facades of merchant houses, and soak in the unique atmosphere. Visit St. Mary's Church, one of the largest brick churches in the world, and climb its tower for panoramic views of the city. Explore the historic shipyard, a symbol of Gdansk's shipbuilding tradition, and learn about the city's role in the Solidarity movement, which played a pivotal role in the fall of communism in Europe. Indulge in fresh seafood at one of the many restaurants lining the waterfront, enjoying the lively ambiance and picturesque views. Gdansk offers a captivating blend of history, culture, and maritime charm, making it a must-visit destination in Poland. Step back in time in Kraków, Poland's former capital and a city steeped in history and culture. Explore the well-preserved medieval Old Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and marvel at its architectural treasures including Wawel Castle, St. Mary's Basilica, and the Cloth Hall. Wander through the heart of the Old Town, Rynek Główny, one of Europe's largest medieval squares. Admire the Cloth Hall, a Renaissance-era trading hall, and listen for the hourly trumpet call from St. Mary's Basilica. Visit Wawel Castle, the former residence of Polish royalty, and explore its opulent chambers and courtyards. Take a poignant journey to Auschwitz-Birkenau, a former Nazi concentration camp located just outside Kraków. Reflect on the horrors of the Holocaust and pay tribute to the millions who perished. A visit to Auschwitz-Birkenau serves as a stark reminder of the importance of tolerance and understanding. Poland's picturesque paradises offer a glimpse into the country's diverse landscapes and rich cultural tapestry. From the majestic Tatra Mountains to the serene Masurian Lake District, Poland's natural wonders captivate the senses and inspire a sense of adventure. Whether you seek outdoor adventure, cultural immersion, or simply a moment of tranquility amidst stunning scenery, Poland has something to offer every traveler. As you plan your next adventure, consider the captivating beauty of Poland's picturesque paradises. Let the allure of these destinations inspire you to explore the world's hidden gems and create unforgettable travel memories. Remember, the world is a vast and wondrous place, waiting to be discovered. What other destinations have captivated your imagination? Share your thoughts in the comments below and let's continue to inspire each other's wanderlust. Your next adventure awaits, filled with breathtaking landscapes, cultural immersion, and unforgettable experiences.